Well, hello everybody, and I am making this video before I'm actually releasing it. Now, after I reviewed Batman the Classic TV series, Mr. Freeze, I set up a contest to see who could guess my favorite villain. And I got this 2-pack from The Dark Knight Rises. Batman. He's not a villain. So who's the villain? My favorite villain is Bane, along with Mr. Freeze. But this guy was who introduced me to Batman. I mean, he's just cool. I already knew what Batman was, but I was kind of reluctant. And he came up with this thing, which is weird. So, it's like to capture Batman, but without it. Yikes. He looks fantastic. He's got these. Look at that. Look at those muscles. Look at these muscles. Look at these muscles. He's got muscles. A very detailed face. And the legs are fantastic. Oh. Now, I can't forget about Batman because he's my favorite superhero. Batman, the good old bat, the good old batty. Yeah. Batman, he's awesome. The franchise is named Batman. This guy is incredible. He's got armor. The back of him. You got to see this guy's back. Look at that back. Look at that beautiful back. But this guy is fantastic. Bane might not have a knee swivel, but Batman does. This set praises. This set is my set. And I got it and I was like, oh my gosh. This Bane looks fantastic. This Batman looks fantastic. He can electrocute Bane. I have nothing to say about this set. It's just so good. We've got a perfect Bane. He just needs a little bit of paint. I'm not going to give him that because he's good the way he is. And perfect Batman needs a little paint. Not going to do anything to him. They are just perfect. To amp them up, I've brought them my Ratchet set. My Ratchet display. Putting them on there. And I will show you this. I'm going to set them up in a pose. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm a little kid, and I love when I find good deals on Batman and Bane. Because Bane, I think I'm going to start a collection of Bane. I've already got 2 Banes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So there's my review of The Dark Knight Rises 2-pack. Armored Batman versus Bane. And if you find this set and you like Batman, this is a set for you. It's got the backbreaker Bane, armored Batman. He broke Batman's back, but Bane. But this guy broke Batman's back. I have nothing to say about this set. But I do want to get a close-up of Bane's face. Bane's face, he's got like that thing they had in the movie. So yeah. If you want a Bane and Batman set, this is the set for you. No kidding. I have nothing to say about the set. It's awesome. Madhouse Studios out.